Today, we're diving deep into a review of the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Mayo, located in Singapore. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Mayo, get your trip off to a great start with a stay at this property, which offers free Wi-Fi in all rooms. Strategically situated in Little India, allowing you access and proximity to local attractions and sites. Don't leave before paying a visit to the famous Gardens by the Bay. This 3-star property is packed with in-house facilities to improve the quality and joy of your stay. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Orchard Road, 4-minute drive. Singapore Flyer, 4-minute drive. Sands Sky Park Observation Deck, 4-minute drive. Cloud Forest, 5-minute drive, and also close to attractions like Chinatown, 5-minute drive. Gardens by the Bay, 5-minute drive. Singapore Botanic Gardens, 9-minute drive. National Orchid Garden, 9-minute drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. I had a comfortable stay at the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Mayo. The check-in process was smooth and efficient, with helpful staff like Sir Sharvin. Our family room was spacious and clean, with functional amenities like a user-friendly aircon and TV. It was a pleasant experience overall. I recently stayed at the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Mayo, and had a fantastic experience. The staff was friendly, the room was exceptionally clean and comfortable, and the location was convenient for exploring the city. I highly recommend this hotel for its excellent service, cleanliness, and prime location. I recently stayed at the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Mayo, and had a pleasant experience. The affordable pricing is great for sharing with friends, and despite the bidet placement issue, the room was comfortable. The staff, including the helpful Indonesian receptionist, contributed to a positive stay. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 10 out of 10. For couples, 10 out of 10. For friend groups, 7 out of 10. For solo travel, 9 out of 10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 7 out of 10. Cleanliness, 9 out of 10. Service, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip,